I'm going to show you exactly how to save your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file onto a USB drive. Open your design in the Canva editor. Go to the Share button in the top right corner and click it. A drop-down menu opens and Download is right there. Click Download. On my screen, PowerPoint is not in the shortlist, so click More. You'll see PDF Standard at the top of the file type list. That's the default, and it's a trap if you just hit Download from here. In the File Type drop-down, choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you select it, the download panel changes and shows a page selector. Now choose which pages go into the file. The page thumbnails are all selected by default. If you only need a few slides, click the ones you don't want to include, and the checkmark disappears from those thumbnails. I'm keeping all of them selected because I want the full deck. If somebody only asks for 3 slides, deselect the rest so they don't get extra content. Click Done. The panel updates and confirms the PowerPoint file type. Before you hit download, check that the file type still says Microsoft PowerPoint with the PPTX extension. This is the field people miss, and they end up with a PDF. Click download. The export starts and a progress bar appears. Then the file lands in your downloads folder. With your USB drive plugged in, open File Explorer. If the drive isn't listed on the left, try a different USB port and wait a few seconds. Windows usually assigns it a letter under this PC. On the left, click Downloads. Find the file at the top of the list, usually named after your design with PPTX at the end. If you don't see it, wait for the download bar at the bottom of the browser to finish. Drag that file onto your USB drive in the left sidebar. The copy progress bar appears for a second, then the file is on the drive. Before you pull the drive out, open it in File Explorer and confirm the PowerPoint file is actually there. I always right-click the file and choose Properties to check the size. A size of 0 means the export did not finish and you'll want to run that download again. Then right-click the drive in the left sidebar and choose Eject. That tells Windows to finish writing before you remove it. Now that it's on the drive, right-click the file and choose Rename, and call it something plain like Final Client Presentation. And if you're presenting from this drive on another computer, don't run the deck straight from the USB. Drag the file to the desktop first, open that copy in PowerPoint, and save it back to the drive when you're done. That avoids a corrupted recovery file. If this got you sorted, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.